Take a closer look. See the drum on this road roller? It's badly deformed. To save money, the owner chose to have it repaired instead of replacing it with a brand new drum. So, how did the mechanic tackle this tough job? First, the mechanic had to move the damaged rear drum to the front of the machine. That's because the full weight of the roller rests on the rear end, making it impossible to lift with a standard jack. Once the deformed drum was installed at the front, he used a jack to lift the front wheels off the ground. Then, using a special scraper, he removed all the dirt from the drum surface. Next, the mechanic mounted a cutting tool above the drum. To begin shaving the surface, this made it easier to identify the warped areas. He then used a hammer to straighten out the deformed sections. After that, he went back to the cutting tool to make a more precise cut along the surface, gradually increasing the cutting depth until it became smooth and even. For deeply dented sections, he used an oxyacetylene torch to cut a groove across the damaged area. This helped reduce the hardness of the metal in that spot. Then, using a threaded support tool, they pushed from the inside to raise the sunken area back into shape. The mechanic then fully welded over the groove and smoothed out the welds using an angle grinder. Finally, he used the cutting tool one more time to finish machining the drum surface until it was perfectly flat. What do you think of this mechanic's skills?